Mobile technology is changing the way we do business today, and there's no denying the productivity and efficiency benefits that come from a mobile workforce. In today's world, many employees are on the go, and they are using numerous devices to access work information from anywhere. For businesses managing this flow of information to and from these devices, things can get difficult. That's where mobile device management comes in. MDM is a solution many businesses use to centrally manage all their mobile devices. It works by installing software, processes, and security policies onto the mobile devices so your business can see endpoints, end users, and everything in between. Bring your own device has become popular among many businesses, and with employees using their personal mobile devices for work, an MDM solution ensures the critical business assets being accessed from these devices stay secure. MDM helps employees easily separate work from play on their devices, so security concerns are minimized and employee privacy is maximized. MDM offers powerful features like application restricting, geo-fencing, remote wipe, and more. This ensures that even if a mobile device gets lost or hacked, with MDM in place, a business can easily wipe the device so no data is stolen. Mobile devices are here to stay, and the answer is mobile device management. As your technical ninjas, it's our job to help you stay ahead of the curve, so you can have a better, more productive business.
Stay up, stay running, and stay protected with BVA.